Hello guys, welcome. So today we are going to be building a shipment website, a sophisticated shipment website that works. So this is a highly functional shipment tracking website. As you can see on your screen here, it has a very professional landing page. All of this details all on this page, they are very perfect. You don't have to do any more editing on this particular thing, except you have things you want to put in yourself. But if you are looking for a template that can work fine and good for every other thing, you have it here. As you can see on your screen here, as you can see on my screen here, it has everything. It has the track cargo, the road freight, the sea freight, air freight, everything. If you come down here, you see another section. It also have clients testimonials. As you can see here, that's client testimonials. So everything on this page, on the landing page of this courier, of this shipment, it's perfectly designed. We can check on the about page. I'll go here. I'll check on the services page, the contact us page. Let's see what we have there. Okay, there's a form there for every other thing. Meanwhile, on the footer here, you have your number, you have your email. So let's check on our track and trace page, which is very important because this is a shipment website. So I'll be taking you on the process on how to build this website, but for the very first thing we have to do now is to see how it works. Now I've taken you through the process of looking at the landing page, seeing how it was designed, seeing the details that has been put into it, and seeing the work that has been put into this particular shipment. Now I'm going to be showing you how the tracking looks. Now when you create a tracking on this website, it sends you an email. This is an email here that my tracking has been created from this Quest cargoes. As you can see, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm still going to take you through the process of creating one and also seeing how it looks like. But I want to show you what makes this shipment website, what makes it special. Now let's go here. We'll come here, let's copy. Okay, let me select it again. So let's select this and Ctrl C. So let's track it. Very good. So as you can see, when you first create your shipment, this is what shows you from Quest courier down to the image you want, to the map. The map is perfect. The reason I say so is any location you put in your tracking details, that's what you get on your map. For instance, here I put Lagos on the update. Look at it here on the update. Lagos, pending in Lagos, Nigeria, as you can see now. So let's come here. Let's see Lagos. If I update it to something else, it is updated again. Now let's see another tracking that has been created here, and let's see how it works. So this one has been updated more than, let's view the update. It has been updated, as you can see, 5 times. So let's see what it says. Let's copy this. Let's see how it looks like when updated. So let's come here, track and trace. Let's put in this one, track your shipments. Now very good. As you can see, October, active in New York. You update another one on another day, it shows you active in New York. It's ongoing. As you can see, it's going. Okay, this is just demo, so this is just a demo tracking. So you see what I'm just trying, so you can write here, your shipment is currently on the move. Here you can say inactive in New York, or you can write active, maybe from New York it has gotten to another city, then you can write it's still ongoing. Anything you write here on the update will show here. So delivered, now as you can see in Lagos, picked up, on hold. Now this is the thing, with this tracking you can detail each of the places you want your package to get before it gets to the destination. So it's not just like any other tracking where all you have is the origin and the destination. No, this is a shipment website that can allow you track each of the places the shipment has been, each of the places it has been before it gets to the destination. As you can see, it is designed very well. From this one, from the first active to the second one to the third one, to, as you can see, everything is designed very well. Now when you go down, at the first section is where you see where it has been. The second section is where you see the tracking details itself. Now the map also. So on this one, what I was saying about the map is, now the last one we did was in Lagos, and we saw it here, right? Now let's check this one. Let's check the updates that has been done on this one. View updates. Now you see that the latest updates that has been done on this one, this is the location it carries. I don't know if you can see it. This is the location it carries. So any location it carries here, as you can see, Mali location, Mali, New York, and so any location it carries here, it shows on the map. Now let's confirm if this is functioning. Okay, let's look at this. Let's view this here. Let's search for this on Google. So we'll come here and click here. Very good. So this is it on Google Map. That's the direction on Google Map, as you can see. Okay, so let's go to our tracking page. Let's view large map. Very good. Now this is the direction also from our tracking page. So this is not a shipment website where any address will just be put on the map. This one, it is synchronizing very well. It is functioning. It is functional. So now, since we have seen all of these things, let's go to create our own tracking by ourselves. Let's receive our email and so on. So we'll come here, come to the admin. So if you are trying to get to your admin on the script, you put your link then /admin. It brings you to your admin login page. So let's go to the dashboard. Let's see what we can do here. Add tracking. Add tracking. We'll go to sender name. We can make it demo sender. We'll go to receiver name. We can make it demo receiver. Okay. We'll go to send contact. You can just write any number there. Same thing for here, any number. For the email, let's put GJTech. For the receiver, let's put this test email here. For the address, sender address, you can look for any address you put here on the sender address or the receiver address, anyone. You can look for a proper address. Okay, this is for the sender and the receiver address. For the sender and receiver address, you put the name of the address of the sender. You put it there. So let's put something. Let's just put Lagos here. The receiver, let's put USA. So on the status of this package, we'll make it active. So there are different status here. There's inactive, there's picked up, there's delivered or not. But on this one, we are choosing to make this one active. On the destination, we say okay. Now this is where you put the ports. You look for your ports. If you are using sea shipments, you look for your ports to put here. If you are using air freights, you look for a destination where a flight lands in somewhere and you put it here, or better still, the easiest way, you just put the city it is going to. Let's now say Texas, USA, or you look for an exact address there, you put it. Dispatch location, let's put Lagos. Courier, let's put DHL. As you can see, the placeholder on this place already is telling you can put Courier, DHL or so, or you can put FedEx. Any of those, you can put DHL, you can put FedEx. Any of those people, pick up the description. So package description, the what's in the package and stuff, you put it there. So for the dates, dispatch date, let's just put today. Estimated delivery date, you can put let's say some days after. Shipment mode, now this is where it comes: air freight or sea shipment or air freight, any of them. Let's put air. Let's put air. So payments method, you can put cash, you can put bank transfer, you can put anything you want to put. The weight, let's put 50. Let's just fill it up with that. Now the package image, let's use the image of this box. Quality, you can put any number. This one, let's put time here and add. Okay, it says some fields are empty. Let's look at the fields we left untouched. Okay, carrier reference number, you can put any number there. I think that's the only thing. Let's add the image back. Add. Okay, now I say new tracking added successfully. So let's wait for it to reload. First of all, let's check our email. Very good. A new tracking has been created. Here you see, we are pleased to inform you that your shipment has been registered with us at, this is the site name. So whatsoever you put on the site name is what will show here. So it has been registered, tracking information. This is the tracking information that has been sent. So immediately it sends. So let's see how the tracking shows for the first time before we update it. So basically, this is how to use the script, how to maximize the usage of the script. So follow me as we do that. Let's come to tracking. Let's track our new package. So we track shipment. So for the first time, you see, okay, this is not. Let's look for our package. Okay, I think this is our package. So let's copy. Okay, let's track. Jesus. So let's copy and let's track. Very good. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the first way it shows. This is the first way it shows. Let's look at this is the first way it just shows when you create your tracking. Now when you start updating it, this is where you get the whole first part where you start updating it. You come to your admin. This is it. So view updates, or we just go to updates, since there's no update yet, obviously. So go to updates. So now what do we want? What is it? Let's put it on active. Current location, let's say it is in Lagos, Nigeria. The dates, let's say on this day 7, and the time, let's see, let's put it notes. Now your package just moved. Let's write that your package just moved. Your package just moved. Or you can write something longer. It's your choice. So let's update it. Updated successfully. Now let's go back to our email. Let's see what we have there. Okay, very good. It has been sent. There, we are pleased to inform you that your shipment has been updated. So let's see. So you can track it again to get your updated this thing. So it's very important to note that your tracking page is also sent with it, the link. So let's track from here. Let's track from here. So let's put this. Okay, very good. We track from here. Very good. So as you can see, this is the first thing. Your shipment just moved. So if you add another one, it will come up and come up and come up. Let's add another one. Let's say it is okay, this is admin. So let's say active again. Current location, let's say Lagos borders. Lagos border. Or let's say US border. Or let's say US ports. US ports. US ports. So now it has arrived at US ports. Let's use another date. Let's use time. Okay, your package has arrived in the port of Texas. Let's just say in the USA ports. USA ports. Let's change this. So let's update this. Very good. Updated successfully. So let's go to check our email. Very good. The update is here again. Let's refresh our tracking. Let's see if we get it. Okay, we need to put our. Okay, your package has arrived in US port, as you can see. So it comes down like that until whensoever you want. Very good. So now I'm going to be walking you through how to build this particular website, step-by-step process on how to build, how to make sure that your mails are sending, how to make sure everything is working perfectly fine. Yeah. My previous videos have shown you how to integrate Tildo, how to integrate live chat, how to integrate a lot of things, how to change logos like this. So I would, if you have not catched up with those things, I recommend you go back to those videos and watch. So for now, we are going straight to how to build. So let's cover all of these tabs. Yeah, the admin tabs and everything. Let's come here, our cPanel. So basically, to build, you need a web hosting and also a domain. So you can purchase this from anywhere, any of those people that provide these services. There is Namecheap, there is GoDaddy, and also here in Nigeria we have a lot of good services also. So there are a lot of services you can use here for web hosting and also domain. Now if you haven't seen, or if you don't know how to go about that, the link on top of this video now will take you to a video I've done previously, and I covered this. Also on the description you also see how to buy, the description of this video you also see how to purchase domain and web hosting. So let's go straight into this video. So once you purchase your domain and web hosting, you get a cPanel. A cPanel details is sent to your email. So you get a cPanel. When you are sent your cPanel details, the login details, you log in with those details. There's also a link there. Also, then you log in with those details. You get to see this kind of interface, or maybe something else. But you search for file manager. Good. On your own, when you are buying it for the first time, where you have to go to is the public HTML. please take notes when you are buying your cpanel for the very first time. Where you have to go to build your site is your public HTML, public underscore HTML. Once you click inside there, you'll be able to do the next step. But for me, I am going to be using a folder inside a subdomain. Don't let that confuse you right now. That one does not concern you. What concerns you is this public HTML. So for me, for you, you'll be going to inside the public HTML. For me, I'll be going inside I'll be going here, then we'll be using this folder. So this will be my own public HTML. So everything I'm doing inside here, you do inside your own public HTML. So let me go inside the public HTML right now, my own public HTML. So what we'll do, the very first thing we'll do is I always break my steps into 3. My steps are broken into the first, the second, and the third. Now the first step is the uploads. You have to upload the file, and this file I'll be telling you how to get access to it at the end of the video. You have to upload your file, you have to upload your SQL. Basically, these are the things you have to upload. Secondly, you'll be connecting your database, and thirdly, you'll be editing what you have to edit into. So editing is on its own. So for me, I break the stages into 3. First, upload. Second, connection of database is very important, and third is your edits. So the very first thing we have to do, once we are inside our public HTML, we'll come here, upload, then we'll look for our file. So this is the name of the file. We'll click on it. Wait for it to load up. It has to load up properly, like it has to load up from 1, 2, 3 to 100. Then wait for this color, this blue color, to change to a green. That is giving us a go ahead to continue. Very good. So our file is loading, and it's like almost 100. So let's see. Okay, so please, before we continue, if you are getting value for this video you are watching, please subscribe, like, comment, show it to people that will also get value from this. Thank you very much. So let's click here, go back home. On this zip file, so this is literally a zip file. Literally, that means the meaning is there. This file is zipped. It is zipped right now. So what do we have to do? If this is the first time you're watching my video, I like explaining as if you are starting up, so you understand everything, and so that if someone meets this video and is trying to do this himself, he can also try. He can also do this himself. So this is a zip file right now. It is literally it is zipped. So what we have to do to be able to use it is to unzip it. Once you upload like this, it doesn't mean your site is up. You have to unzip this file and move it properly. Now these steps can be confusing, but follow me. Let's come here, let's extract this, extract the files. We'll close it. Let's reload. So we just extracted it, we just unzipped it literally. So we open the Quest courier. This is our file right now, but the thing is, our file is not in the public HTML yet. So if we come here and say okay, let's say this view /co1, this is what we'll see. Once we come here now, when our file manager is like this, we'll just unzip this one. Yes, this is our zip file. When we come here, this is what we'll see. We'll see these two things, the unzipped one and the zipped one. If you click on zipped one from here, probably it will download. But if you click on this one, the unzipped one, you get your site. But you don't want to start explaining to people that you have to click on this folder to be able to see my site. You have to click on this. No, you want them to go to www.yoursitename.com and see your site immediately. So what we have to do now is to come here, come inside this folder. You know, it was clicked just now and our site came up. Then select all, then move. So we are moving it now. So what you have to do is to clear the crest courier. That's, you are removing it from that folder called the crest courier. Then you are moving into your public HTML. So the main thing you have to clear is the crest courier. You are moving into the public HTML. So right now, when we load this page, instead of seeing this, we see our website. Very good. So we see our website. Yeah. The next thing we have to do, like I said, first of all is upload. The next thing we have to do is to come here. Let's click here. Then let's click on you can use the keyword wizard, MySQL, our database wizard. Click on it. So what we're trying to do now is to create our database so that we can upload it. So just follow me. What's the name of, okay, our name of this one is let's say database. So let's copy this. Next step. Now what we just copied, let's paste it here. The reason we are doing this is, you can do it in a different way, but the reason we are doing this is we want the DB name, the DB itself, and the password to be the same thing. So we'll come here also, we copy. Please don't get confused. If you get confused, don't, just follow. Come here, paste that password, paste this thing, just copy it from here. Come here once again and paste this one also. So we click on create user. It takes you to the next page. You click on all privileges, then click on next step. Very good. Now our database is ready to be used, but that's not all. So we'll come here, we'll click on phpMyAdmin. Very good. So once we come to phpMyAdmin, we'll see different we'll see like different database here. For some reason this one is under this one is under this, or this one's, but normally you come, you just see everything. It comes, everything is just dropping down. So if you can recognize the one we just created now, this is it. So you click on it, you see it is empty here. What we have to do is to import our database. Now I will be where you'll be downloading the file from, whatsoever link, you see the crest courier itself, you see the file itself, then you also see the SQL file separated, so you don't have to start looking for it. So you come inside here and we click on this. That's the database, then we import. So that's not all, but right now we are done with our uploads. Okay, now let's take it step by step. We are done with our uploads. Now this is just here, we have not connected it. So what is the consequences of not connecting your database? Once you come somewhere like this, you see this page isn't working, or you see one error or the other. So let's go back. So let's copy this. I think it's still copied on the clipboard, but let's copy it again. So let's connect our database now. Go back to our file manager. That's where we can connect our database. Come here, we'll come to you. That's you are going to your public HTML. So we'll come here, we'll come to config.php. Let's config.php, edit. Okay, let's look for let's look for db.php. Very good. So what we do is you come here, you click it, then you paste. That's you are replacing. You select and replace. This one you select it properly, you replace. Then you come here, select and replace, then you save. Very good. So now let's try what we did here. Let's try it again. Track and trace. Very good. You see the importance of your database. It's very important. That's where all the data, all the creation of the tracking and everything, that's where it goes to. So it's important. It's like the art of the of most of this websites. The website that has to do with anything database is that's like the art of it. And without the art, you can't live. So now I have done the uploads. Now let's do the setting up. For you to make sure your email loads, your email sends, because most times you set up this thing and your emails are not sending. You have to do something about the SMTP settings. Now for this script, the SMTP settings is in the PHP, that's in the SQL. So you come here, the name you want, like I said in the email, I told you this is the site name. This is the very first one. I think there's a, yeah, with us at Quest Courier. So any name you put here is what's going to show there. So this site title is on your site pages, logistic, you change it. You change this site URL to your own URL. Whatsoever your site name is, you change it. You have to come here to change it. So once you click here, you edit, you change this one to your site name, you change this one to what you want to be there, you change this one to your site URL, your site link. Then you come here, your site email has to be here. And once you put your site email here, people do a mistake that they don't create the site email, they just put it here. So once it is like this, you have done all these things here, then you can go to email account, go to email account, create the email you just put there, create an email that matches with that one. So let's see now, let's see our email. We'll put in info@viewbox. So let's create an email. So let's create an email for info@, so we'll just generate a password, create it. Very good. And that's how to install the scripts. That's how it works. Now for the editing, I'll cover a little bit of editing here, although we have covered that a lot. But for the sake of people that are new to this, for instance, let's use the home page as an example. You come here, you see we deliver on time, joining millions, getting bargain deal on shipping, cars, furniture, fight and more. Now for instance, you want to change this word, you will just have to come to your your site reads your index.html. so this is the front page, for instance, it is the index. So you come here, you come to the index, you look for the index. Let's change something in the index. Let's say we deliver. I want to change it to we always deliver. JG Tech always deliver actually. So I want to check the we deliver on time. So we always, let's add we always deliver on time. So let's save it here. Let's look for, let's reload. So basically what I'm trying to say is, as you can see, very good here already. What I'm trying to say is, if you have a word you are not okay with, or you want to delete, or you want to change here, or anything you want to, it is all in the file. This is the index file. Now if you want to change something in, let's say, about us file, you come to about us, you come here. Okay, look at it here, is about.html. as you can see here, about.html. so you come here, you look for about.html, you open this about.html, you open it, you edit, you come, you edit whatever you want. Then once you are done editing, always save. Any changes you make, you save. So before you go to reload your page to see it. So thank you very much for sticking with me on this video. Please do subscribe please do like and comment. For to get access to this script, there's a link below this video right now. You can just go there and purchase the script, or you can send me a message directly on WhatsApp. Please, no, I won't reply you with my number on in the comment section, or I won't tell you to check a number with whatsoever was replied to you. I don't do that in the comment section. My number is added to the description of this video, so you click on the description and you see my number. Thank you very much.